Okay, hear me out. What if we could style a jacket as a skirt? I know it sounds crazy, I'm not going to lie, but I got this jacket at Value Village for $18, and the craziest part is that the jacket is actually a size 14 and I am a size 8, but I saw it and the orange color just kept calling my name. I was like, you know what, I'm going to get it. Now the initial plan was to resize it. I do have a sewing machine downstairs, so I never really have to overthink sizes, or to cinch the waist and give it sort of like a free baggy but cinched waist look. But before I get to that, I decided I was going to play around with it a bit, and today I'm going to be styling this jacket as a skirt. Okay, let's get into it. To style this, I do need to layer. So I have two options. I have this top from Arding, which is like a crop top. I love it. I love the detail on this side. I'm obsessed with it. I don't wear it as often as I would like, but I have it and it's nice to have whenever I do want to wear it. And then I have this Forever 21 shirt that has featured on this channel before. I will probably keep featuring again because I absolutely love the top and I wear it with everything. Now this shirt is suffering from its foundation stain, but we're going to have to make do. It's fine. I do have ties that I intend to match with these. My scarf is done. I think I might be wearing these earrings that I wore from the previous video, but I do have a couple of options. Let's get into it. I'm gonna move the camera back there so we have some space and you can see the full fit, and I'm going to go change of camera so I don't blind you. All right, so this is what I have right now. The reason why I'm doing this is because I am imagining a scenario where you're out and you have pants. I should wear pants just for the culture of this. I would go wear pants. Give me 1 second. I have these dress pants that are also from Arding, and I'm just gonna put them on top of this one. It doesn't matter, you people, this is not real life. This is just all my imagination that I'm showing to you. We're just gonna pretend I don't have this under here. And so I am picturing a day where I am out and about like this, and I have this jacket on, and you know, I'm out, it's chill, I feel good, I'm partying, it's a good day, and suddenly I start to feel hot, right? I'm hot and there is nowhere to hang my jacket because keep in mind, I'm out partying, stay with me. This is what I'm gonna do. I take this, I put it around my waist, I go all the way down, find the zipper, and I just keep going until it looks like this. What do you think? Do I feel foolish? Do I look foolish? I don't know. I think it's pretty cool. Silver jewelry might not be my instant go-to for this. I think gold would be better. Ooh, and I do have these cool orange earrings. You know what? We're gonna try the orange earrings. Let's do it. Orange earrings for the win. I can't remember where these earrings are from. My friend got it for me. Aviosa, Leviosa, something Osa. I don't remember. I don't remember what it's called. Oh my. Okay. Do we like it? I think that we do. Goes here. Right. Uh-oh. There we go. And we can play around with accessorizing. I like this white one. I like this. I need something else. I don't know what I need yet, but this is it. On the flip side, I do feel like I would like to play around with the pockets a bit. So it actually starts to look like a skirt, right? And so what I would do is take the sleeves in, and if I really wanted to be serious and make this a practical pocket, I would take rubber bands and put this around. I cannot find any. Oh, see, I have one. And I will do this. I will do this so nothing falls out of my pocket. If I wanted to put, say, my phone in it or something else, make that tight. See, I don't believe clothes have to be worn the way they were intended. Life is too short for all of that. Oh my God, why is this so hard? So we have this, and I'm just gonna tuck it. And just like that, I have a pocket. If I were to put my second phone in it, it's never going to drop. And I can keep on dancing in my party with no worry at all. I'm gonna do it for the other scrunchie. They don't match, but it doesn't matter because you know what? Nobody's looking into your pockets. nobody ideally should be looking into your pockets, okay? And so this would be here, and I would also just take this and tuck it. Now, I feel like doing this can damage your clothes. So if you have like stretchy fabric, please don't do this. But this is not stretchy fabric, so I'm fine. If I wash it, it's gonna come out looking all right. And so this is what I have. This is what I'm left with. I probably want to do like extra jewelry, wear some gold necklaces, do something else. But point is, this video is not about jewelry. It's about using your jacket as a skirt, and I love it so much. This actually makes me so happy. Yeah, would you be trying this? Do you think this is something you would ever do? My favorite part is definitely making it into a realistic pocket. My phone is still here, and you can certainly put your wallet in the other pocket and just feel like the cool kid that you are. I'm gonna find glasses just because why not? Downside of me putting these glasses on is the fact that my makeup is gonna get stained, but things we do for love. Just gonna pop it right there. See, you're just a cool kid at the club. That's what you are. You're a cool kid. Okay, maybe not at the club. I don't think this is club outfit. This is probably content creator outfit, right? I'm the cool kid who came here to make content. Now get out of my way. Okay, before we go, I decided to clean the look up by adding some jewelry. I love these pearls. I got this back home in Nigeria, and it is, if you can see, it's like a bird. It's a bird and a beak, and it's cute. It's like I'm taking flight. I also love to wear my name necklace that my sister got for me about 3 years ago for my birthday. It's lovely. It's gold. I'm a gold girly, even though everybody always says silver looks good on me, and I recognize that, but I love me some gold. Once a gold girly, always a gold girly. I probably want this to drop. Uno momento. Sorry, wait. I'm gonna put it in this hole right here. I struggle. I hate having to do this myself. It's just hard. This is why I need a man, y'all. This is why I need to get married. So I have somebody who does my necklaces for me forever. Oh, yeah. There it is. It looks cute, no? And that is the final outfit. We're done. Make sure to like, subscribe, comment, and let me know if you'll be trying this. Bye. Bye. If you're new here, this is the first time you're watching my video, hi again. I'm gonna grab a chair and do another intro. Hi, my name is Hamda. If you're new here and you're watching me for the first time, hi. Every week I post styling videos. You can find me here at Doing Life with Hamda. Make sure to hit the subscribe button if you enjoyed this video, and comment and share. And if you want to watch my other styling videos, make sure to check out the playlist called Doing Fashion with Hamda. All right, bye. See you in the next video. Okay.